Well, an individual will has a complex set of movements that they're capable or incapable of at a given moment. When a person comes to me, they're incapable of doing something that they want to be able to do. And for example, if a person has injured their foot or broke their foot, they will favor that foot and they'll walk differently. That can change the way that their knee moves, the way their hip moves, the way their back is. They can change the way that they sleep because of getting accommodating for this foot, and they can have a whole array of symptoms that actually emanate from that. But then it's called the kinetic chain. How does the body move about in space and during periods of rest to accommodate for certain things? Now, a lot of people will have multiple things that they've had occur over the years that they haven't had resolved completely. So many times a person will come in and have a whole set of different types of situations that may appear complex. But what I've found over the years is that when I take a look and find out what the primary needs are, address those, and then always be aware of how movement patterns change and what symptoms the body might be telling me, because they're clues as to how to better help the person. Person may come in and have a low back and hip problem, that's their immediate concern, and then, this happened just yesterday, and then this person had a shoulder issue that happened many years ago that actually this person changed the way that they use their lower back because of accommodating for the shoulder restriction. And so now I know we've got these two things to deal with. Through the course of the care, we may have other things to deal with, an old elbow or knee or headache issue, a car accident that they had 15 years ago that they haven't quite completely resolved. So I know enough about healing that if I can address the primary concerns and watch about how a person can get back to normal function, then I can actually help them resolve many things. And even if, and I've seen this many times, even if a person has had an injury for 30 years that hasn't been resolved, the body has this drive to heal given the right circumstances. To give the body the right and the person the right circumstances, if they're sufficiently motivated and willing, then amazing things happen.